Hey everyone, it's Sparkle22 here from Animal Jam, and today I am going to be filming part 2 of my spending 32 diamond thing right here. So in part 1 I bought an owl. So now in part 2 I'm going to buy the whole set, the entire set of friendship armor, because I really like the armor. I think it's really cute. So yeah, and then in the first part I think I had 22 diamonds left. Yeah, I did. But now I have 24 because of the Tuesday diamonds. And to buy all the armor, it's gonna cost me 9 diamonds. So I'm gonna buy that. Oh, lovely, I don't have inventory. So is I send myself my inventory stuff. So like I send it to myself, so it's like my alternate inventory. So I'm gonna buy it. I'm not gonna have enough inventory for all of it, actually. I'm gonna have to clear 2 more spots. Oh, it looks cool on the owl. So yeah, I'm gonna have to clear 2 more spots in order to buy the last 2 pieces. The struggle of inventory, it's real. Okay, so I sent myself the rest of my inventory. And yeah, I have the whole set of friendship armor now. Oh, that's cool how there's like hearts below me. Oh, I get it. It's supposed to be like you're leaving heart footprints. I get it. So like you're leaving heart footprints, even though that doesn't apply to me because I'm not on land right now. So I'm gonna change my owl's color so that could match kind of with the armor. I think that's good. So that's all I wanted to show you guys today. I want to thank you all so much for watching. And now I have 15 diamonds. So make sure you keep checking back, because I'm going to make a 3rd part of this diamond thing, because I'm still not done spending them. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!